Hello everyone! In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet these cute chicks. The chicks all have two spinning pinwheels in their hands. The yellow one with an eggshell and the golden yellow one with a poached egg. The body of chicks are made in exactly the same way, and I will show you with the golden yarn. Take the golden yellow yarn. First, we need to learn how to make a magic ring. Let your left palm to face to you. Wrap the yarn around your left little finger. Pass it through between middle finger and index finger. Then pinch the yarn tail with thumb and middle finger. This is the basic crochet position. Then pick up the yarn tail and wrap it once around your middle finger. Now use your right hand to pull the right edge of this loop off of your middle finger. Take the 3mm hook. Put hook in this loop from the front to the back. Rotate your hook so that the tip of the hook is facing away from you. Grab onto this working yarn, pull the yarn back through the loop. And then yarn over, pull the yarn through the loop. This is the chain stitch and the magic ring is now completed. Now you can put your middle finger press the intersection point and rearrange your hand so that you're holding onto the bottom of the circle. Now we need to make 8 single crochet stitches into this magic ring. Put your hook inside this loop. Place the hook under the yarn, grab the working yarn, pull the yarn back through the loop. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull this yarn through both 2 loops on the hook. Now you have made the first single crochet stitch in this magic loop. Now we need to mark the very first stitch with a stitch marker. Put your stitch marker under the V with 2 strands. It's the first stitch of round 1. Now get back into crocheting position. Now you have to make the remaining 7 stitches. Insert your hook in exactly the same spot. Yarn over, pull yarn through the hole to draw up a loop. Yarn over, pull that yarn through both loops in the hook. This is the second single crochet. Keep doing the exact same thing. The third stitch. The fourth. The fifth. The sixth. The seventh. The eighth. After making 8 single crochet stitches, enlarge the loop and remove the hook. Let's count the stitches. If you look at the edge of this piece, under the big loop you'll see a V shape formed by 2 strands. This is the single crochet stitch. 1 V represents 1 stitch. So 1, 2, 3, 4th, 5, 6, 7, 8. The marked stitch is the first stitch we made. After making 8 single crochet, pull the yarn tail to close it. Now get back into crocheting position. Insert your hook in the loop. And now we have just finished round 1 of the body. And now we are at round 2. In this round, we need to make 8 increase stitches in each single crochet. Now I will show you how to make an increase stitch. Find the first stitch of round 1, which is marked with a stitch marker. Remove the stitch marker. Insert the hook into the stitch marked with the stitch marker, which is the first stitch of the first round. Now the hook is under the V with 2 strands. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through again. That's the first stitch of round 2. Mark the first stitch with the stitch marker. Now, we're just going to do exactly what we did and do it in the same hole. So put your hook in the same hole. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through again. Now we made the second single crochet. And we made 2 single crochet in the same hole. So that's an increased stitch. In this round, we have to make an increase into all the stitches for a total of 8. 1 stitch, 2 stitch, that's an increase. Move to the next stitch. 1 stitch, 2 stitch, that's an increase. Repeat this step to finish this round, and there will be a total of 16 stitches in this round. When we meet the stitch marker, that means we have finished this round now. Expand the loop and remove the hook. Let's purl tight the yarn tail of magic ring again. Let's count backward from the last stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. The marker indicates the first stitch, and now we have just completed round 2 of the head. Now, let's begin round 3. In this round, we need to repeat the sequence of 1 single crochet, 1 increase, for a total of 8 times. Remove the stitch marker, insert hook into the first stitch. Make a single crochet. Remember to place the stitch marker. This is the first stitch of round 3. Find the next stitch, make an increase. It means we make 2 single crochet in the same hole. 1 single crochet, 1 increase, this is 1 sequence. Repeat 1 single crochet, 1 increase to the end of this round. So next stitch, make a single crochet. Next, make an increase. One single crochet, 1 increase. Repeat this sequence to the end of this round. Next is round 4. In this round, we will make 1 single crochet into each stitch. And there will be 24 stitches in this round. Make a single crochet into the first stitch and mark it. And then make 1 single crochet into each stitch all the way until the end. Now we have finished round 4. Next is round 5. In this round, we need to repeat the sequence, 2 single crochet, 1 increase, for a total of 8 times. Remove the stitch marker. Insert hook into the first stitch, make a single crochet. Don't forget to mark the first stitch. This is the first stitch of round 5. Next stitch, make a single crochet again. Next, we need to make an increase, which means make 2 single crochet in the same hole. So 2 single crochet, 1 increase, this is 1 sequence. Let's repeat the sequence to the end for a total of 8 times. 2 single crochet, 1 increase, 2 single crochet, 1 increase, 2 single crochet, 1 increase, 'Now we have finished round 5, and there will be 32 stitches in this round. Next is round 6. Rounds 6 to 10 are pretty simple. You just make 1 single crochet into each stitch, and there will be 32 stitches in each round. Remove the stitch marker. Insert the hook and make a single crochet. And mark this stitch with a stitch marker. This is the first stitch of round 6. Now let's make 1 single crochet into each stitch all the way until the end. Now we have finished round 6. Next is round 7. We will proceed as we did in round 6. Just make 1 single crochet into each stitch all the way until the end. Remember to place the stitch marker. The stitch marker can easily tell us where one circle ends and the one circle begins. Let's make single crochet to the end of this round. Now we have finished round 7. There are also have 32 stitches. And I will show you how to count the round. This is our first round as a magic ring. Let's count from the bottom up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have already crocheted 7 rounds now. Next is round 8. Round 8 to 10, we also make 1 single crochet into each stitch to the end. Just like we did in round 7, please complete the next 3 rounds by yourself. Now we have completed round 10. Count the round. And this is what it looks like.